In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exclude apps from your TunnelBear VPN app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you want to exclude some of your apps from this VPN app, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and open your TunnelBear VPN on your smartphone. Then you should see a settings gear on top here. Tap on it. From this, you need to go ahead and tap on Split Bear. You're told select when apps are ignored by TunnelBear while connected. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And first I'll enable Split Bear to make sure that I can run the apps parallel with the others connected to TunnelBear while others excluded from TunnelBear. Then head to apps down below. And here you are asked to select the apps that you wish to exclude from TunnelBear VPN. So I'll go ahead and choose the apps that I wish to exclude. And once you are done, now go ahead and tap on save. This will now have added these apps to the excluded list from TunnelBear VPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.